The HNC8 lathe CNC system is designed for customer applications, benchmarking against competitors to establish a standardized and convenient debugging process, enhancing the debugging experience. Batch debugging is delivered to machine tool manufacturers. The HNC8 CNC system's usability improvement strategies are as follows. Strategy 1. Centralized debugging projects. Strategy 2. Streamlined debugging process. Strategy 3. User-defined debugging concepts. Strategy 4. Simplified debugging steps. Strategy 5. Visualized debugging process. Strategy 6. Standardized debugging methods. Currently, basic machine tool debugging, feed axes, spindle, etc., machine tool performance debugging, pitch error compensation, backlash compensation, etc., and functional debugging of machine tool accessories, tool post, hydraulic tailstock, etc., have been completed, totaling 21 usability developments to meet the debugging needs of common machine models and improve the debugging experience. Taking spindle orientation debugging as an example, the operation steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the spindle number to be oriented. Step 2. Determine the corresponding orientation method according to the actual machine tool configuration. Step 3. Check if the Z-pulse flag is lit. Check if the orientation speed and orientation direction meet the requirements. Step 4. Rotate the spindle to the position where orientation is required, and press the current position menu to complete the spindle orientation settings.